All right, good morning, everybody. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to day 2 here on board the Carnival Breeze. So today is going to be a sea day, so we're just going to explore around the ship. There's some activities today. I think we're going to do pumpkin carving, and of course, anything else we can get into. So just probably going to show you guys around the ship today, see all that we can see, whatever activities we can get into. Now, Tiffany, she's already run off. Like I said, we have a lot of people with us here on board this cruise. So she has already run off, doing her own thing, having some Tiffany fun. She'll catch up with us here a little bit. First thing, though, we are going to do sea day brunch. So let's go get something to eat. Morning. So we finally made it to breakfast?
Yes.
As y'all can see, I finally found Tiffany. Told you she ran off on me this morning.
Well, yeah. I got 30 other people on here I got to talk to. He says that like it's a bad thing.
All right. So they really took this door decoration to the next level. And this guy right here makes this noise when you walk by. I'm not sure I want to be the person walking by that in the middle of the night. All right, so we're down here to do the pumpkin carving contest, but there's a lot of people that want to do it. So I don't know if y'all can see, but there on the table is a thing of candy corn. So you have to guess the number of candy corn in the jar. And the 4 closest people to the actual number, they get to do the pumpkin carving. Now I guessed 350. Tiffany guessed 572. So we're gonna have to see if we are even remotely gonna get to our number. What do you think?
I didn't hear what you said.
Oh, we're talking about pumpkin carving. Do you think you got the close enough number?
Yes, because he ate 29.
At the table, the final 4 that is moving on to carve the pumpkins is Sylvita Smith, room 946, you know your number. Shelby C. Shelby Carter. We checking key cards. Brad, he gets 789. I can't. Kazoa, I think. Brad, raise your hand. 50 Brads. Okay, that Brad right there. And the very last one who's joining us to carve some pumpkins, child, is Sanvi. In carving competition. Y'all make some noise. What's about to happen is we have 4 competitors all across the United States of Texas. I think so. No. Ooh. Further. England. Ooh. Where? England.
Arkansas.
Baby, let's go now. Yeah. Oh, my bad. I forgot to introduce ourselves. My name is Deshaun from Arkansas. I'm a part of the Fun Squad Entertainment team. Right alongside me, we got the amazing Brenner, comedy host coming all the way from the Philippines. I can't believe we didn't introduce ourselves. Huh. Ma'am, where are y'all from?
Texas.
And
Detroit.
D-Town, all right. She said, don't be scared. I think that 1 card. Yo, pumpkin. You have no eye for talent. You're from Arkansas. You have a little bit of eye for talent. Good job. No pressure. We got 25 minutes left. No pressure. The favorite dessert of a ghost. Ice cream. I didn't say it. He said it. They cut me off. It wasn't even my joke. The junior cruiser says, what did the boy ghost say to the girl ghost? You're looking bootiful tonight. Which is why I didn't interview you for long. 5 points. We're going to see which is the best pumpkin. Do any of y'all know the competitors? No? All right then. I had to pick people who didn't know y'all. That way they just give you a 5. So, judge number 1, come on up.
You are my treasure, you are my treasure, yeah, you are my treasure, you are my treasure, you are my treasure, yeah, you are my treasure, you are treasure.
This pumpkin comes all the way from France, you know, it's got pork in it, yes. All the fixins and seeds. This pumpkin, with an astonishing score, is 22 out of 30. So the winner is 32 out of 30! 20 out of 35. Not yet. Von Miller, what's your name? Alex and
Sakita.
Alex and Sakita coming all the way from Dallas, Texas. They are our pumpkin carving champions. But everybody will not go home empty-handed, because this was a lot of work and a lot of sweat that y'all did. So each one of y'all will get a medal for your hard work. Since this is the last pumpkin carving competition of October, y'all will get a box of candy delivered to your room. Yes. You get a medal?
All right, so we didn't get into pumpkin carving. As you guys clearly saw, we did not even come close to guessing the number of candy corn. I said I guessed 350. Tiffany guessed 532. And the actual number was like 832 or something like that. So we were both way off. Didn't get to participate. Got a little filming of it. That was still really fun to watch. So, but that was pumpkin carving, the last pumpkin carving of this year. Since Halloween, of course, is tomorrow, they won't be doing it after this cruise until next year. They'll be starting Christmas activities. So now we're just going to keep on going and see what we see. All right, so we come back to the room. And, of course, we have our towel animal. And our VIP package that we won last night during the welcome show is here. And Tiffany is going to show us all of that. Oh, so we have our chocolate-covered strawberries. And then she also has a goodie bag. So show us everything in the goodie bag there, baby.
Okay. So we have bingo cards.
Ooh.
So we can play bingo. And a dauber.
Bingo dauber.
$200 off our next Effie purchase.
If we purchase an Effie.
A Effie necklace.
Ooh, you got an Effie necklace.
It's got a little thing on there that says fun, fun, fun. And then some kind of jewelry bag. Oh. And looks like earrings and a necklace.
Ooh, there you go, baby.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, and of course that goes also along with
Our bottle of champagne.
our bottle of champagne, and apparently we also have a bottle of wine at the dinner table.
Yes.
One night when we go eat dinner, so that's pretty good. Plus our assigned seats in the theater for all the shows that we go to.
Yes.
That's a pretty cool VIP package.
Yes, it is.
That is pretty good.
And the little VIP cards that
And
you
your
get to
little
wear
VIP
around.
cards. So that is our VIP package.
Put it over. Finally, at last, from that speck on that clover, their voices were heard. They rang out clear and clean, and the elephant smiled. Do you see what I mean? They prove they are persons, no matter how small. Can y'all please make some noise for Horton the elephant right here? And look who it is, everyone. It's the Cat in the Hat once again. Okay, Cat in the Hat. We learned a really cool lesson today, and we're all going to share it. A person's a person. Ready? A person's a person. No matter how small. Thanks so much for coming back, Cat. Family, thanks for coming to Sousapalooza Storytime.
Like the last shot.
Yeah, look, see? Somebody's closer.